Maligo ka muna. Maligo ka muna.
So, magkuha kay Mike, saan po natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ano pong nagsalda po sa Ron?
Ng Lolo Lucio at Lolo Luis. So this is their idea. Kaya kailangan natin sundan. So from our generation, kami po ang third generation. Kami po sa third generation. Okay? We would like to continue this and we hope that the fourth generation, the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, even we were not here anymore in this earth, the Rosa plan is living.
Sinagot. Sinagot niyan.
Dahil nandoon na hindi gana. Actually po, nilinis nila yung aircon. Sabi nila, gagas,
Gaga works.
Pinatutunan kay Gaga. Okay, so this is the question. Magkakakilala na naman kayo. You were close already.
Parang hindi naliligo.
Unfortunately, for everybody to know, okay, our mother, their lolo and lolas, were both brothers and sisters. Ito yun. My mom my mom, which is her lola, his lola, is the sister of their lola. And my father, which is their lolo, which is Jipoy's lolo, is the brother of their lolo. Okay? So, just like in atin, Rosa Figo, something like that. Since magkakakilala, you know each other. Okay? So, this is the question. What was the thing that you learned only this now? Yung hindi mo alam, yung may period, during this activity, you can, ganun pala si Ray, ganun pala si Sisa, ay, pinag-ilan ito na sa discover. Okay, kuya Kim, what did you discover from your ate?
Walang ligo. Hindi gumagamit ng sabon.
Bakit mo naman kami sa'yo? Nalaman ko pa.
Walang shampoo.
Nasa ko sinabi ko.
Ano ba? Ayan, makaniligo pa lang.
Alam po nalaman ko po na ano pala, para sa Rosa Malakaya dito. Galing!
Galing!